Chamomile Face Toner. The base for this facial toner is chamomile tea, which is soothing, hydrating, and tones the skin nicely. Chamomile Face Toner Recipe. First of all, you need to make a cup of chamomile tea. Just use 1 bag of tea per 1 cup of boiling water for 20 minutes. Remove the tea bag after that, and let the tea cool down. Then transfer it into a spray bottle. Now it's time to add in 1 teaspoon of witch hazel, and 4 drops of lavender essential oil. Close the bottle, give it a good shake to mix everything, and enjoy your homemade facial toner. How to use it. Wash your face, then close your eyes, spray it all over the face, and leave it to dry up naturally. This chamomile face toner will soothe your skin, reduce irritation, shrink large pores, and control skin sebum production. It can also help with skin itchiness and eye puffiness. Facial toner recipe for dry skin. Due to its moisturizing properties, chamomile can also help with dry skin. So, take 2 bags of chamomile tea, or 1 tablespoon of chamomile, and put it into a saucepan. Add cold water into the pan to cover the chamomile, then bring the water to boil. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat, and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Keeping it there for longer will create a more concentrated decoction. Once the liquid gets yellow hue, it's time to strain it, and transfer to a suitable bottle. Use a sieve or a cloth to strain the decoction, then add to it 1 teaspoon each of lemon juice and green tea. Mix the ingredients, and store the toner in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Use it daily to wipe your face,